Dear students, today we will discuss Anita and the Honeybees part 2. So let's get started. From school to beekeeping, there are many lychee trees in our area. Honeybees are attracted to the lychee flowers. Many people do beekeeping and collect honey. I thought that I could also do this. I joined a course run by the government to learn about this. I was the only girl in this course. During my training, I found that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. This was the best time to start beekeeping. Have you seen any insects near flowers? Find out their names. Yes, I have seen insects like honeybees and butterflies near flowers. Draw and color the picture in the notebook. Why do you think they come to the flowers? Find out. So, they come to the flowers to collect nectar from the flowers. When honeybees fly, there is a kind of sound. Can you try to copy this sound? Yes, honeybees produce buzzing sound. Yes, we can copy this sound. Becoming a beekeeper. I completed my beekeeping course, but I did not have money to keep my own bees and start work. I continued to teach and with the time could collect rupees 5,000. With this money, I bought 2 boxes for keeping bees. Each box cost rupees 2,000. With the remaining money, I bought sugar to make the syrup for honeybees and medicines to clean the beehive. That was in September. By December, I had so many bees that I had to buy 2 more boxes. I was still learning about beekeeping. Many times the bees would sting me and my hands and face would get swollen. It would pain a lot. How could I complain to anybody? I myself had decided to do this work. Find out what do people in your area put on the part of the body where the bee has stung. So people usually put lime, vinegar or ice cubes on the affected part. Draw a picture of a honeybee in your notebook. Color it and give it a name. The lychee trees come to flowers in February. I put all my 4 boxes near the lychee orchids. I got 12 kilograms of honey from each box. I sold this honey in the market. This was my first earning from my bees. Now I have 20 boxes. So what will be the total cost of Anita's 20 boxes? See, the cost of 1 box equal to 2,000 rupees. So the cost of 20 boxes equal to 2,000 rupees into 20. So equal to 40,000 rupees. Every day I cycle to my college. My college is in the town, 5 kilometers away. When I go to college, my mother prepares the syrup for the bees. My father looks after the bees and takes the honey out of the boxes. Now, you also know a lot about Anita. Anita is known by everyone in all the villages nearby. She goes to all the village meetings and talks about how important it is for everyone to study. Sometimes people make fun of her, but Anita knows what she wants to do. She does exactly what she wants to. Anita wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the villagers to get the right price for their honey. Find out. Anita and others in her village get rupees 35 for 1 kilogram of honey. How much does the 1 kilogram of honey cost in your town? See, 1 kilogram of honey costs rupees 350 in my town. What are the different colors of honey that you have seen? I have seen brown and golden colors of honey. Is honey used in your home? What is it used for? Yes, it is used as sweeteners in our home. Every beehive has 1 queen that lays eggs. There are only a few males in the hive. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. These bees work all day. They make the hive and also look after the baby bees. They fly around flowers in search of nectar. They collect nectar from flowers for honey. When one bee finds flowers with nectar, it does a special kind of dance by which the other bees can know where the nectar is. The worker bees are very important for the hive. Without worker bees, there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. All bees in the hive would go hungry. The male bees have no special role as workers, which are some other insects that live together in a group like honeybees. So these are ants, wasps, termites live together like honeybees. Ants live and work together like honeybees. The queen ant lays the eggs. The soldier ants look after and guard the ant's nest. Worker ants are always busy looking for food and bringing it to the nest. Termites and wasps also live like this. Have you seen where ants live? Yes, ants live in anthills. What kind of eatables attract ants? List them. Ants are attracted to sugar containing food products and dead insects. Look at a line of ants. What is its color? Its colors are black, brown or red. Have you been bitten by an ant? What was the ant like? Black or red, big or small? Yes, it was small red ant. Do ants ever come near you? Yes, ants do come near me when sugary or sweet products are lying around me. Look carefully at some big and small ants. How many legs does an ant have? Small and big ants both have 3 pairs of legs. Draw an ant in your notebook and color it. While eating peanuts, you probably throw away the cells. Why don't you try to make some insects by using the cells? Don't forget to color them. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.